Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to download fonts onto apps like Goodnotes or just onto your iPad overall. So first you need to download the app iFont. This is what it looks like. And then once you download that, you're going to want to go onto Safari. And you want to go to the website dafont.com right there. And then you want to pick whatever font that you like. I like going into this area right here, and I like the handwritten fonts. And so say I want Wild Hazelnut. So you download it. And I just want to let you guys know that I like to use the ones that are free for personal use. There's some that are only a demo and stuff. So up here, I select more options, and then I just click free for personal use, just so that I don't get any demos or anything, and like I can use every single character. So once you have downloaded it, you want to go up here to this little arrow with the circle and click Wild Hazelnut. And it should, oops, sorry, this is still open. It should pop up in your files as a zip file. So then you click the zip file, and then it opens into a little folder. You click the folder, and then you can read this little blurb that they usually put. And then you click Wild Hazelnut. You go into this right here, the little box with the arrow. You want to slide over to more options, and then you want to copy to iFont. And then this is iFont, it opens it up, and then you go down to Wild Hazelnut, and then you click Install, and then you click Allow, and then so now you want to go to the Settings app. So you go to Settings, and right here it says Profile Downloaded. So you click Profile Downloaded. You click Install. Then you want to put your password in. So once you've put your password in, you click Install. You install the profile. And these are all of the ones I've downloaded. So like these are all fonts. And then, so say you want to go into Goodnotes. This is just like a planner that I just downloaded from someone. It's a free planner. So say you want to use text. So you go up here, you click the text tool, and you want to type. So say I want to type notes. I don't know why that font is so small. So you select all of it. Then you go up to this text tool right here. I'm going to make the font big because it was very small. And then in your fonts, you have everything right here. So I have like Covered by Grace, Cream Cake. Let me find the one that I just downloaded. These are more fonts that I downloaded right here. Wild Hazelnut. So you click Wild Hazelnut, and then I'm just going to make this larger and move this into the middle of the screen. And then, you can change. So this is Wild Hazelnut. Let me show you some other fonts that I have that are really good. Okay. So the next one is the Blacklist. It looks like this. Ooh, I really love Moonbright Demo. Sorry. This is Moonflower Bold. Then this is Moonflower. We have Cathin, which I just downloaded. This one is really cute. It's like a calligraphy type of notes. This is Just Tell Me What. This is Cream Cake, Covered by Your Grace. And I think that's everything I've downloaded. Yeah, so it's really simple. And the only app you need to do is iFont. And it's really, it's easy to do. So thank you for watching.